went to the market to buy a jackfruit. There I met my old friend Jack. He said, "Hey Jolly," I said, "Jack, let us do some ja-ja dance. Ja-ja-ja-ja-ja-ja-ja-ja. 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 Ja-ja-ja-ja-ja-ja-ja-ja." Hello friends, welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello teacher.
Hello Monami. Hello children. Get ready to learn about the 26 letters in the English alphabet. Today we will learn about letter
J.
Okay, so let's start. This is an uppercase J. What is this, Monami?
This is an uppercase J.
And this is a lowercase j. What is this, Monami?
This is a lowercase j.
Good. As you know, children, every letter has a different sound. Letter J is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, here is a story of Jinoo the Joker. In the month of January, Jazz the jaguar and Jumbo the elephant ran away from the circus. Everybody was upset. Jinoo the Joker went to the jungle in search of them. There he met Jackie the jumping monkey. Jinoo wanted to make friends with him. And so he started jumping with him. While jumping, Jinoo was rhythmically chanting, "Ja, ja, jump, jump, ja, ja, jump, jump, ja, ja, jump, jump." Soon, they became good friends. Jinoo told him his problem. Together, they went in search of Jazz the jaguar and Jumbo the elephant. And after a long walk, they finally found them. They were all happy to meet with each other. They invited their other friends and had a feast of jam, jelly, juice, and jackfruit.
Ja, jump, jump, ja, ja, jump, jump.
Yes, that is the sound of letter J, J. So now let us sing about the sound of letter J. So let's start. J is a consonant, it has a sound. J is a consonant, it has a sound.
J is a consonant, it has a sound. J is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the J sound. J, 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 J.
Let us say the J sound. J, 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 J.
J as in jam, J as in jug, J as in jungle.
J as in jam, J as in jug, J as in jungle.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
J is a consonant, it has a sound. J is a consonant, it has a sound.
J is a consonant, it has a sound. J is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the J sound. J, 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 J.
Let us say the J sound. J, 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 J.
J as in jet, J as in jacket, J as in jaguar.
J as in jet, J as in jacket, J as in jaguar.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
So now let us revise. The sound of letter J is
J. J as in jam, J as in jacket, and J as in jaguar.
Okay, so children, in our next class we will learn about letter K. So see you in our next class. Till then, bye.
Bye friends. Jump. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.